Design Calculator. The feature of Design Calculator allows for quick estimation of different geometries for gate shear rate, runner pressure drop, part cooling time, or the prediction of mechanical properties of plastics reinforced with different fibers and ratios. This is the main page of the Design Calculator, and the following are the operational instructions. At the top, there are 4 design unit tabs, including gate shear rate, runner pressure drop, part cooling, and fiber reinforced plastic property. For each design unit, there is a material search panel on the left to import the required material data. There are 2 search methods provided: keyword search or polymer type with supplier search. For example, if you enter Radylin, a list of all materials related to Radylin will appear in the lower left. Alternatively, you can choose a polymer type, example PA66, and it will display a list of suppliers offering PA66. You can then select a specific supplier, and the list of materials they provide will appear in the lower left. You can also click the swap button in the middle to switch between searching by supplier or polymer type. Then, select the material from the list that you need to import. On the Gate Shear Rate tab, 2 types of gate designs are provided: circle and slit shape. You can set different geometries, units, and fluid types. Then, click Calculate button, and the estimated results will appear on the right. Clicking the information icon in the upper right will display relevant calculation formulas. Finally, clicking the Export Result button allows you to export the image result. A similar operation can be followed on the runner pressure drop, part cooling, and fiber reinforced plastic properties pages to design the units and estimate the results. Furthermore, it should be noted that tool panel within the material list can be linked to other features.